Okay, so today I'm working on this old Cannondale Trail 7. I think it's a Trail 7 anyway. Originally came with Tawny, as you can tell, they broke the old hanger, chain and everything else associated with that. The forks are horribly rusty, they're awful Suntour forks. Suntour forks are awful, as we all know. 29 inch, no damping or anything like that. It does have hydraulics, but they're integrated into the Tawny gear shifters. But I swapped this for it's complicated. I swapped this for that Carrera over there, and then I swapped it back, the Carrera back, for a scooter that you saw in the last video. So yeah, it's kind of a complicated one, but hey ho, this will do up nicely. I think it's actually quite a nice looking bike. The frame's not that bad in terms of paintwork, which is the main thing people look at, and as long as we replace the parts, we'll be good. That's the old cassette over there that's had it. We're replacing that, cables, inner outer cables, all that kind of stuff. Probably, maybe not the outer, but the inners definitely. Bottom bracket's still good. 8-speed Tawny TX front derailleur. These are just some irrelevant forks lying around. I was hoping they were 30mm stanchions, but they're not. I was going to swap the stanchions over, CSU over. Yeah, so it's coming along. The wheel's now true-ish, so it doesn't hit the frame. It's not perfect, but it's close enough that it's usable. At least for a little while yet. It was almost rubbing, the tyre was almost rubbing the frame, so had to true that out. And yeah, there's also that Kona over there I've got to do today as well. GT is the one I rode last week, a couple of weeks ago at Anglesey Island. That's been in the sea and had some other fun things happen to that, so it does all work. It worked when it was parked, shall we say. Probably needs a few cables and stuff now. But yeah, that concludes this video on the crusty Cannondale Trail 5. That's the crusty Cannondale Trail 5. Cannondale Trail 5 with Suntour XCT forks. Thank you for watching.